Welcome back, guys. Another day, another vlog. I'm here with Jaden. We're gonna get the car started, and today we're basically doing injectors and putting a new fuel rail. So yeah, we got to say Jaden. We're gonna do this quick thing, isn't it?
Yeah, 2 hours. 2 hours. Thank God.
So we're gonna start up the car now. I haven't started the car for a while since the last vlog. So now we're gonna basically start it up, and then because I'm gonna take it outside, so you guys can actually hear me like literally rev it up and see how the new turbo sounds on the car. But I think it's gonna sound really good. So stay tuned. I want to see how it sounds on the back of it. The little rev in it. Go on. Yeah. It's not even passing 4K. Don't. Passing the map, yeah. I'm on the revving on a certain RPM. That's just
Yeah, sick.
Yeah, let's pick up back inside. I'll be smoking. Just I'll be 25 S8. He thinks he's gonna RP his car. His dream is to
Alright, what do we have to do? Fucking hell.
We got this. So basically our plan is to take off the injectors, so we have to take off the inlet just to move a little bit further back so we can have access to the fuel rail, and then we're just gonna pull it out. It's easy work, man. It's just 2 minutes. We got this.
Bruv, 30 minutes ago you said 2 hours, and now it's 2 minutes. Jesus.
And then obviously we have to take that off as well, no?
Why?
Because how are we supposed to move the that to that side?
Take it off here and then.
Oh, the problem. The fuel stick's there.
The what? The oil stick.
Yeah, I don't know. That's the oil. The oil do there.
Dipstick.
Yeah, that's it.
But surely that's on the block now. There's like a bracket that comes off and goes onto the block.
Onto the fucking. The whole engine's fucking oily in there. I need a good jet wash. No, not now. No, it's just full of dust, man. Everywhere that's just dust. Yeah. Let me get the parts and let's crack on.
So what's in here?
Let's go see the package and the radio, and I don't know how to pronounce it. Is it dishwork or douchework? I don't know what it is, but obviously these are my injectors, brand new. Always get this shit brand new because that's no headache. You know what I mean? Got that. Obviously, it came with some wire loom. I don't know if I need that today. Looks headache. And some saucy radium with fuel rail. I've already put this in as well. I've already blocked these two because I don't need the accessories for like the dampener or the fuel rail that radium provides, or you have to buy extra. I don't need that. Mostly, I put that. There's one missing. I'll find it. Yeah, so I bought 2 of these, so that's gonna be going on here.
Answer them.
Yeah, I both of them. Obviously, I got 2 at 8 AM fittings, and obviously the other one's upstairs. I'm sure of it, and then it should be going right here. But all this mess needs to go right now for me to access there, and then, you know, get shit cracking.
I think this ain't the, because it's like taking small bits here, taking small bits there, And I feel like we're not going to actually get to it.
Because the TJZ is different from the 1J inlet. That's what I think. Because by the looks of it, like the 2J, the inlet will basically you'll be able to see the bolts, and you can just take them like basically separate apart. And it seems very hard to basically get access to the bolts that's underneath it. So in order for me to get access to the fuel rail, I'll have to take off all the things from the top, and then in that way it's easy for me to basically get into it and take it out and put the new one in. But so far, we're getting there. It's like digging for the gold. We're digging things out, and then we get in there. But it's headache.
Yeah, it is. Definitely is.
Well, yeah, I think we have come to an end. Because the fuel rail is coming out. Again, we took it off. And now, oh my days. There you go. Oh, this piece of shit.
Done all of that for this.
Look how small it is. Look at the port. I was the port of this.
Yeah, the black one's bigger.
Oh yeah. The black one's bigger. Yeah. So yeah, that's the old one with the old fuel regulator there. And Jaden cut that out because he was getting fed up with it. Because like, I thought this was 2 minutes, but it ain't. So now we're gonna basically put this in with the top hand to the injectors. But first I need to basically figure out in a way that I want to put it in. In a way, how should we put it in?
How it came out, no?
Look at that. I don't even want to put my new fuel out there. It's all, I don't know.
You better hope we don't fucking scratch it either.
I don't want to do that either.
Where's the plastic for cleaning?
You can't put that through. We'll test fit it first.
Yeah, just like put it in with the plastic on it, and then when it's in, just rip the plastic off. Oh shit.
Jaden recommends we should test fit it first before we just go in. So,
like put it in with the plastic on it, and then when it's in with the plastic on it, take the plastic off. Like cut the plastic off, so you don't scratch it, because that is black, and when you get a scratch on it, it'll be the fucking silver.
Yeah, for real. Yeah, we're gonna do that, so stay tuned. And we're gonna see if it works, if we don't, then we're just gonna leave everything here, just disappear. Because it's getting to a point where that was hard, because the 2J, I realized they, hold on. No, my bad. hold on.
Because come cut out.
No. I think there are 2 pieces, but it's just a very difficult way to getting it out. So you have to get out from the top, and it's shit. But anyway, we're gonna basically put that in, and hopefully everything goes well. We're only putting it in just to see how it's gonna fit, and then tomorrow when Josh comes around, he's gonna basically make the lines for him. I already got the lines upstairs, because he's got the van to basically make all the lines. It should be all good to go. So yeah, stay tuned. Everything got in here.
Jesus.
That's in. We're gonna try to put it in now, because we were missing the standard. I think this is a spacer for the stock rail. So it literally works with the aftermarket one. So you just put it in here, and it gives it enough space. Enough space for the injector to basically put it in. So hopefully it should work. So we're gonna basically try that now and go from there. Stay tuned. After putting so much work, on that note, we're calling it a day.
Right, what's the problem?
So we're like, you know what, let's just fit the fuel rail onto the car. You see this? It's not going in. So that's not going in. That means I will need to get an injector adapter cap. So it goes on top of it, and then it will basically fit in there for the right size. I'm not too sure if I need that. I'm gonna do research before I start buying it, but I need to get shit done as soon as possible, because obviously 8th of January, that's the day the car gets mapped. But now it's looking a bit peak. We can go from there. So I'll see you guys next time. Like, subscribe, and share. See you guys next time. Have good holidays. Have a good Christmas.
Christmas is gone, bro. Happy
Have a happy new year and peace out. See you guys next year. Peace.